Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Javed Latif, Head of Chemistry Department, Army Public School and College, Ordnance Road, Rawalpindi. First of all, welcome all of you students. You are promoted from first year to second year. We will start the online chemistry classes. For this purpose, we will start from the organic chemistry. How to define this organic chemistry? You should see. That is the branch of chemistry which deal with the study of carbon and carbon containing compound except CO, CO2, HCO3 minus and CO3 minus 2. Because these are not the organic compound, they belong to the inorganic chemistry. In organic chemistry, carbon is involved. Therefore, we can say the atomic number is 6 and the atomic mass is 12. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. This is the valence shell. So in the ground state, we have the one pair of electron and two unpaired. This is known as the ground state. Electron jump from 2s2, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So we can say we have the four unpaired electron in the excited state. This is known as the excited state. 2s, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So the valency of carbon is plus minus 4. In this case, for example, CH4, this is the plus 1 into 4, this is the minus 4. CCl4, minus 1 into 4, this is the plus 4. So the valency may be plus 4, it may be minus 4. To explain the organic chemistry, we may divide this into different families. The first one is called that is the alkane family. In alkane family, that is the hydrocarbon which contain carbon and hydrogen with single covalent bond in between carbon and carbon. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For example, if n is equal to 1, then apply this formula C1, 2 into 1 plus 2. So omit this 1, we may write as CH4. To verify this valency, make structural formula 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is known as the methane. If n is equal to 2, in this case apply this formula C2 H2 into 2 plus 2. So C2 H6. Structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can write in this way, that is CH3 single bond CH3, and this is known as the, that is the ethane. Now if N is equal to 4, they apply this formula, that is the C4H2 into 4 plus 2. The formula will be C4H10. This is known as the, that is the butane. To draw this structure, we can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the valency of the carbon will be 4. In a condensed form, CH, CH2, CH2, this is the CH3. So we can say that basically alkane family, it contains the single bond. For the next family, it is called the alkene. Alkene basically having a double bond, that is ENE. It contains the carbon and the hydrogen with the double covalent bond. This is the double covalent bond in between the carbon and carbon. The general formula is CnH2n. So in this case, N is equal to starting from 2, 3, 4 and so on. For example, if we consider N is equal to 2, then what happened? Because in case of double bond, hydrogen cannot make the double bond. So in this case, if N is equal to 2, apply this formula C2H2 into 2, that is 2 C2H4. This is known as the ethene. You can see at here, this is the ethane, this is the ethene. En represents the double bond, whereas Ane represents the single bond. Now draw the structural formula 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called the structure. Now if we can say the N is equal to 4, then what will be the formula? How to compare this with the alkane family? For example, if N is equal to 4, the formula will be C4H2 into 4. This formula, apply this one, we will get the C4H8. So this is known as the butene. This is the ENE, this is the ANE. This is C4, this is the C4. That is why the but will remain same. Whereas ANE, this is the ENE. Now draw the structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the double bond. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is known as the butene. Now in this case, since the double bond is there, so we can say that it is a butene. The formula is condensed form CH2 double bond CH, CH2 and then the CH3. So we can say that we can compare this formula double bond with the single bond. So in the single bond you can see that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. The basic thing is the valency. So the valency of the carbon is 4. The third family is called the alkyne family. Alkyne means that is a triple bond. Carbon and hydrogen, hydrocarbon with the triple bond. So in this case, this is the triple covalent bond. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2. The value of this n is started from 2. So the name is, that is the, if n is equal to 2, we can say it is the ethane. Cn 2 to the 4, 4 minus 2. You will get only the 2 value. So this is the C2H2. Now we want to draw its structure. That is how to draw the structure. For this purpose, C triple bond C. This is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is called the ethine. Now if n is equal to 4, in this case, this is known as the butane. So the Cn, that is 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 2, that is the 6. So we have the 6. For this purpose, you can see that is there is a very small change that is at here. We have the triple bond. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Now you can see that is it has a triple bond. The formula is in a condensed form CH, triple bond, CH2, and this is the CH3. This is known as the butane. So we can say in alkane, we have a single bond with the general formula CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, the formula is CnH2n, and for alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. How to write these names? We may construct a table for this purpose. So I just want to draw the table. In tabular form, number of carbon atom, name of alkane, formula CnH2n plus 2. If n is equal to 1 carbon atom, this is called the methane, formula is CH4. If n is equal to 2, this is called the ethane, formula is C2H6. For 3 carbon, propane, C3H8, you should apply this formula. For 4, n is equal to 4, butane, C4H10. For 5, pentane, C5H12. Hexane, C6H14. Heptane, for 7 carbon, heptane, C7H16. For 8 carbon number of atom, octane, C8H18. For 9, nonane, C9H20. For 10, decane, C10H22. So for alkene, name of alkene, 1 carbon number of atom is not involved. So in this case, if n is equal to 2, the formula is, name is, that is the ethene. The formula is C2H2 to the 4. For 3 carbon, this is the propene. This is the propane, this is the ene. That is the C3H6. For example, for hexene, 6, if n is equal to 6, this is known as the hexene, whereas it is the hexane. The formula is C6H12. For 10, this is known as the decene. The formula is C10H20. You should complete the other one by just replacing ANE by the ENE. Similarly, for alkyne, the 1 carbon is not involved. For 2 carbon, that is, it is called the ethine. The formula is C2H2. Apply this formula. 2 to the 4 minus 2, that is 2. For 3, this is known as the propyne, C3H. 3 to the 6 minus 2, that is the 4. For hexane, HEXYNE, this is the hexane, hexene, and hexyne. 6 to the 12, C6, H, that is the 10. 6 to the 12, 12 minus 2, you will get the 10. For 10 number of carbon, this is called the decyne, DECYNE. that is the C10H, 10 to the 20 minus 2, that is the 80. So you should complete the other one. So the basic principle is, this is the ANE, this is the ENE, and so this is the YNE. This H is called the prefix, and this is called the suffix. In this case, you can see that is H and H will remain same, that is the number of 2 carbon atoms. Whereas the suffix, this is the ANE, this is ENE, and this is the YNE. ANE represents single bond, ENE represents the double bond, and YNE represents the triple bond. In case of hexane, hex, that is 6 carbon, and the 6 carbon. The prefix will remain same. The suffix is, that is ANE, ENE, and the YNE. So this is the basic thing. So if you just remember the general formula, you will be able to write the chemical formula as well as the name of the compound. Dear student, if you have any question about this, you are free to ask on WhatsApp. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.